uh. One. Let's go. I like this riff. I don't care how many times I use it. How. Let's go. Boom. I don't care. I get crazy when I dance, and I don't give a damn on your reputation or what I look like. You know I have no fashion sense. What? I have a gorgeous, sexy girlfriend, and I'm happy with that. I don't care if my room's a mess. I'm not a neat freak. If everybody was neat, the world would be boring. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. If everybody was neat, the world would be boring. Don't look at me funny. I ain't no rich man, but I make my own music. I don't use auto-tune because the auto-tune is for losers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm the one who walks her world. I'm the one who makes love to her. I'm the one. I'm the boss with the sauce with the gravy, and I make my own music. I make my own shit. Yeah, what you gonna do? It's my life. That's right. With rock and roll. She keeps telling me, I wanna get married. I keep telling her I can't afford it, but maybe someday I can. How? What you gonna do What you gonna do with me? And I don't care how many years older than she is than me. It's okay to be dating a hooter. How with the wall. Rock the house with my lifts and shit. That's right. How. Damn, I was a pan. The couch was over the room like what? What the shit? Made love to her on the king size mattress. We're watching Family Guy or The Simpsons, or maybe Dragon Ball, Super Bowl, I guess. How. Watch it go. Or maybe the old Ultramans and subtitles for I care. What you gonna do with me? Rock the house with the crazy riffs and beats like what? How. Put your hands up in the air. All the ladies in the crowd, twerk that butt, what? I don't care that if you find that offensive. That's nothing compared to what other people say. And no, I don't like Slim Shady. How. Wave your hands in the air. Well, I have nephews, yeah, but I don't want kids of my own. How. Rock the house. How. Rock the house, you all. Let's do it. Rock the house with this beat. Rock the house with the electric guitar. All I care. What you gonna do? Dance. Like the rhythm's cancer. How. I spread like a virus. So I care. How. Rock the house. Sometimes I use dirty words, sometimes I don't. I have a pretty good vocabulary. How. And I can actually sing. That's why I don't use the auto-tune. Because the auto-tune is for losers. Come on. One more time. How. Boom. Let's step to the other side with this beat. Let's step to the other side. I'll never go until the day I'm dead. Ain't mine dead. My music still sells. How. You can't stop me. How. Raw. 1, 2, and you don't stop. 1, 2, and you don't stop. Whatever going on this day, that's true. But guess what? I'm gonna stop until the day I'm dead. Ow! And don't look at me funny. What? I'm not ugly. And I won't stop till the day I'm dead. And I'll probably outlast every last one of those people who get shot or kill themselves on crazy drugs. Ho ho! Ho ho! It's the wall. I'm still pumping it out. I'm still sitting. And I still have such a lady who loves me for me. She doesn't love me for my goddamn cash. She loves me for me. Ho ho! I do remorse. I do remorse. Wah. I'm gonna go platinum a Bible without the crazy friends dancing around me. They like my voice. My voice is what sells on is what gets me the many likes on YouTube. And the crazy friends I say, what you gonna do? Wah. And the crazy riffs I use.